Now we will do Chakrasan. With this, our body shaped like a chakra. To do this, first lie down on your back. Now bend your both legs from the knee. Place both hands below the shoulder. Fingers should be inward and wrist should be outwards. Keep the elbow towards the sky. Now lift your lower body and apply pressure on the hands. Lift the body and hold for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly place the shoulder on the floor. Place the hips. Keeps your legs and hands relaxed and enter in the Shavasana position.